Back with another classic 1978 Corvette 25th anniversary edition. Stay tuned, take you all around her, show you the goods, get her on this test drive. All right, let's get into it. So like I said, we got a 78 Corvette. As you can see, it's finished in that Corvette brown. Beautiful color combination with the tan interior. It is a 350 car. You can see by the L48 designation, and it is 25th anniversary. So starting going around, the body's in pretty good shape. We do have a couple little blemishes here and there that I'll try to point out, but nothing like too crazy. Moving down the side, a little bit of scratches there, just people opening the doors, nothing crazy. Pinstriping looks solid on here. This is one of those spots you can see somebody scratched and they tried to fill it in with paint. But other than those few scratches, like I said, the body looks good as far as dents and things like that. As you can see, looking at it from this angle, you can really see those curves. Like these models of Corvettes are just beautiful all the way around. Got the 25th anniversary badge. Bumper looks nice and solid. I don't see any cracks, no signs of any accidents or anything like that. Tail lights look solid, trim beauty rings intact. Looking down the driver's side, again, kind of hard to see down the full thing just because of the the exaggerated flares, but she does appear to be pretty straight, no waves or anything that I can really point out. Back glass is solid. We have no cracks, no spider webbing, anything like that. Chrome trim is intact going around the window as well. As you can see, we do have the T-tops off, and the chrome is beautiful in between. No signs of any rusting or anything underneath. And the T-tops obviously match the exact same color. They're in the back of the car. I'm not going to pull them out, no reason to, but they're in great shape as well. Looking at the front windshield, no cracks, no rock chips that I can see, nothing that really needs to be pointed out there. Coming down the hood, I think you don't realize how long the front of this car is until you actually get in front of one. Like, that hood is crazy long. Flip up headlights work. Hood looks to be properly gapped. I didn't see any catches or anything, any paint coming off on the two ends where it opens. I'll open it up in a second and show you guys. Front bumper looks solid as well. I didn't see any dents or cracks. We'll check it out once we get it on the rack because of how low it is to the ground. Let me go ahead and get this open. Under the hood, super clean. We did put a new radiator in, aluminum radiator, of course. AC blows cold, power steering, power brakes. The 350 runs strong. I can't remember. I think this year was in that 175 to 180 range for horsepower. I think it varies depending if it's a California car or not, but still decent power considering what was going on in the 70s. Of course, you got your little hatchback area. Nothing back here. Well, actually, let me show you guys just for those that don't know. Let this back, just a little shade. Those are the T-tops. Look super clean. Again, no issues there. I'm gonna just lift these up gently. Got minimal storage there, two little bays. This one holds the battery. If you guys didn't notice, the battery wasn't in the engine bay. That's how you get access to the battery. Checking out the interior, again, I think this tan complements the brown beautifully. Door panels in great shape, no peeling, warping. Power windows, they do work. Driver's seat is in great condition. No stains, no rips, no tears, nothing to point out there. I would say the carpet could use a little bit of work. It's not horrible though by any means at all. Let's just call it driver's quality for the sake of the video. Center console, nice and solid. Dash is good. We have no cracks, no warping, no peeling up. And there's your passenger seat. Because of how small the car is, I'm not even going to go around to the other side. I'm going to just get it from here. Carpet looks nice and clean on that side. And passenger seat, same as the driver's. No rips, no tears, no busting at the seams. Looks very clean. Mileage reads 52,834. And we'll check to verify everything works on the test drive. All right, we will go ahead and fire up the Vette. It's a cold start, fires right up. Mileage again on the odometer reads 52,834. Left turn signal, right turn signal. So I hear it clicking and I see it, I can see the, sorry, I saw the marker, but it's not showing in the dash. Let's see. Wipers good. Lights on, I can see them in the dash. And you can see the flip up as well. We'll see them later on in the video, of course. Power locks. Power window. Power window. AC's already on, blowing. Radio works. Right now I got fuel, oil pressure, battery voltage, gas tanks reads full. I'm sure that's off. We'll see if the temperature comes up. Horn works. Let's go ahead. If you've never driven one of these, one of these generational Corvettes, man, these things, I know, the 350 with under 200 horsepower, by no means does that sound like, more than enough power. But because the car is so small and so light, this thing moves. So surprisingly, it is enough power, to have fun with. Speedometer is working, coming up with 0 issues. Got us doing about 20, which is about accurate. Let's see. Brakes are solid. Another cool thing about this, you guys probably won't be able to see when we do underneath, but man, it's got 4 piston Brembos. I guess I found this out. That was kind of like the one of the first years that Brembo started doing like the 4 pistons. So kind of cool. When I took the wheel off and I saw it, it kind of blew my mind. They look like 6 pistons, but they're 4. But it still blew my mind because we're used to, single pistons all the time in these older vehicles. So I thought that was kind of dope. The car drives nice and solid. Hand off the wheel, I'm tracking straight. Got a little, I would say, wheel is cocked a little bit to the right. She's not pulling when I hit the brakes, but steering wheel is off just a little bit. Again, brakes feel solid. Give it a little bit of throttle so you guys can see. Like I said, this thing moves just because of how light it is. Motor feels nice and decent. I know I'm gonna say strong and you guys are gonna be like, can't be strong with that little bit of power, but it is, it moves. This transmission is shifting smooth. I'm not hearing any weird noises under the hood, and the suspension feels solid. I'm not bouncing all over the road here or pulling either way. So definitely a solid car. And I think it's just an added benefit. I love T-tops, obviously, but I do think, the added benefit of having that in this, come off super easy. You get that open air feel without having to worry about, where you're gonna put the tops at. They slide right in the back with 0 issues. So yeah, everything is smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and head back, get it on the rack. I'll check the bed up on the rack, starting with the rear. Rear bumper looks solid again. I see no cracks, no signs of any accident. Looks clean. Getting up under the car and looking at the frame, the extensions, the gas tank, and then the exhaust. The exhaust is new, clearly. No signs of any leak from the gas tank. Getting up under here, everything actually looks nice and clean. We do have drum brakes in the rear. Moving further up, still got the cats on. Frame is nice and straight. Floor pans, no soft spots, no patchwork, no repairs have been done, and they look nice and flat at the bottom too. No signs of any leak from the trans or oil pan. We just came off the test drive. Moving further up, we got disc brakes up in the front. No signs of anything else leaking. We get up under here. Front bumper, again, nice and solid, no cracks, nothing that I can really point out. Passenger side, we do have new tires all the way around. As you see, the Cooper Cobras, all 4 tires are new. They are 15s, 225 15s in the front, and same in the rear, so square at all 4 corners. As you can see, underneath the body and the frame is nice and clean, solid and straight. Let's get to the driver's side. Rear quarter looks nice and solid, and then there's the rest of the frame and the body. Like I said, super clean 78, well taken care of. All right, now, so if you're interested in this 78 Corvette, make sure you give us a call, 256-801-4409. Check us out at Rolling Museums on the website and also Instagram. As always, appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe below.